Hi, this is Caroline Nettle from Wild Nettle Gardens, and I am today at the very beautiful Usher College, which is a Catholic seminary in Durham, County Durham obviously, and I am doing a 3-day digital marketing course. So one of the things that I thought I would do is a little YouTube video discussing what we are expecting to be able to put on this summer in Wild Nettle Gardens. And for me that is obviously we're going to be growing fruit, vegetables, superfoods, herbs and all the really good stuff. But what I want to do is on the weekends perhaps have people come to the farm and do really exciting things like farm to table meals and wellness days and meditation and learning to garden, to bake cakes, to make jam. So there's all sorts of things that I have planned. So if you like, I'm putting out this request. So if you live in and around the Darlington, Durham area and you would like to help me with this, or you could put on a course teaching people fun, exciting things like I've just mentioned or anything else, do get in touch with me on the website, which is www.wildnettlegardens.com, or you can also contact me on Facebook, which is also Wild Nettle Gardens, because I really want to start setting in place a schedule for the summer so that we can start promoting the events, because I just love learning all the time. It's something I really enjoy doing, and I think that these events will be really good fun on the farm. So yeah, a little bit of content for a digital marketing course, but also a shout out to anyone in the Durham Darlington area that might be able to help me fill my schedule for events on Saturdays or Sundays. So looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for listening. This is Caroline from Wild Nettle Gardens.